So now let's look at some of the more interesting things that you can do in Stackby and how you can take your workflows to an advanced level. The third thing that I want to show, which is the third building block that we've recently added in Stackby, are Powerups. Now, Powerups are additional set of features on top of the Stackby platform that gives you an enriching experience, or you can in a way where you can transform your data in different capacities. So some of the Powerups include stack export, when you want to export all of your stack back into your Excel file. You can append a CSV file in an existing table. So not only you can import in and create a new table, but you can import a CSV file in an existing table and map the columns. I can individually share a particular view to a team member. That is a Powerup. I can restore data in two ways. One is through a recycle bin, and other is through taking database snapshots. So let me show you how that works. Let me get into an applicant tracker stack. So if I see history here, I can look at the recycle bin and I can restore information, a column or a particular row from the last 7 days through the recycle bin. And I can just click on restore and it automatically restores the information. Same way, I can take point in time database snapshots. Say if this is the database that I like at this point in time and I want to store it and revisit it probably in 15 days or 20 days, what I can do is I can take a snapshot and I can take one snapshot in 24 hours and restore this database, this purview of this database onto our servers, and you can restore it at any time. So if you think the data is critical and you want to restore it and you really like this version of the data that you see, you can easily use a snapshot. So these are some interesting Powerups. Some of the more interesting Powerups also include the fact that you can find duplicates in your database. So if you're dealing with large databases, or if you're importing data from Excel or Google Sheets, it's likely that there might be duplicates in your files and you want to automatically sort them and merge them. So if you're using, say, Stackby as a CRM and you have multiple contacts in your contacts table, and there could be a chance where there are duplicates in those tables. So let's just say if you have two Jon Snow, person with the same name, and I want to find it and merge it automatically. So what I can do is I can go ahead and find duplicates. I can choose the all contacts view. And if I look at by the full name, I can see there are two records already added. I can review this set of duplicate, choose one of them to use as a primary record, look at it as a merge preview, and just merge those rows. So basically, only one Jon Snow record will be added or will be seen in your table. So this is how you can use these Powerups in interesting ways. Now, some of the other Powerups also include interesting things that we've added on form. So some of the other things that we've added in Powerups is in forms. So you go to the form settings and you can do multiple things. You can remove the background color of the forms. You can change the background colors. You can add cover images. You can add conditional logic to your forms. So if you want to only display a particular field only when a certain field above that is filled. So you can add conditional logic like this to your forms. I can change the submission message. I can add notifications, send email to my team members. I can redirect once the form is submitted. I can redirect to a different URL. I can change the submit button text. And I can also make this form conversational like a type form. So if you toggle this on, you can customize the welcome page of like a type form looking form. So you can upload that image and a welcome page will show up. And you can add the title, the description, and change the layout of that welcome page. Based on that, you can basically add a welcome page to your forms and all your fields will show one by one, just like a type form. So these are some of the other interesting power-ups that we've added on the forms, which could be interesting for your use case.